Which type of motion will be followed by two astronauts? Whereas two astronauts are floating in a gravitational free space after having lost contact with their spaceship. So in a gravity-free space, there is no external force acting on astronauts. Since the astronauts are not in a gravitational field, are experiencing any forces, the only force they can exert on each other is through mutual gravitational attraction only. Whereas mutual gravitational attraction can be defined by using Newton's law of gravitation, which is nothing but two objects in space will attract each other with force value F is equal g times m1 m2 divided by r squared. Whereas F is a gravitational force, g is a gravitational constant, m is a mass of the first astronaut, m2 is the mass of the second astronaut, whereas r squared is distance between them. Since there is no other force to counteract this attraction in free space, the two astronauts will move towards each other. So the correct answer for this question is option A here.